Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at something that normally is not something I would look at on the channel, but that's what we do here. Occasionally we step out of the norms of traditional technology and go into other areas of technology. I've looked at a couple of massage chairs on this channel in the past, but I've never looked at any sort of handheld massagers. And so this company, Rooftree, reached out and offered to send out their R20 percussion massage device. You can't exactly see what it looks like because it's got a packing label here on the front of the box, but I'll put something up on the screen so you can see it from their website. The idea is this is handheld, it's battery powered, and I have used one of these in the past from another company, super inexpensive, something that I just bought on a whim because I wanted to work out some neck pain that I was having, and my wife has had a lot of back and neck pain. So that one has been fine. I'm very curious how this one will compare. On their website, I think it's over $200. It's like $220 to $250. They did offer to provide a coupon code to you guys if you're interested, so I'll put that and the link and everything down in the description. I don't believe they have an affiliate program or anything, so I won't get any sort of compensation for you purchasing it from there, but if you do, cool. But anyway, let's open this box. Let's see what comes inside of it, see how this works. Oh, there's a bonus inside. So it comes in a carrying case, Rooftree branding, hard side carrying case. And then inside, get some foam, some usage instructions, read carefully prior to use. It says it has a 120 watt motor, a 24 volt rechargeable lithium ion battery for 4 to 12 hours of continual use, 4 speeds for optimal pressure. And they did mention what those speeds mean to me in an email. There it is. It says speed 1 is a warm up, level 2 is muscle relaxation, level 3 is for lactic acid decomposition, and level 4 is for deep massage. But moving right along, 3 interchangeable head attachments should be included. There's the ball head for overall usage, the flat head for tender areas and near bones, and the bullet head for lower back and trigger point, so you can really sort of dig in there with that. But it's cordless, it's lightweight, it's portable, it's powerful, and of course it has some charging and operating instructions over on this side, which you can always pause and take a look at. It does actually mention here the average runtime is 8+ hours depending on the speed level and the pressure applied. Then on the back there's some more instructions, some maintenance and cleaning information, and what the package includes. I see a green envelope in here that contains a note about the company and thanking you for purchasing the product and everything. There's also a plastic bag with what looks like some stoppers and additional pieces and parts, rubber pieces. Then on this side, we have the power adapter. Output is 26.5 volts at 1.5 amps and has this very small barrel connector at the end. Here we have the ball head, the solid metal connection point. It also has the flat head, again, metal connection points, and a little bit of silicone to help it fit in and stay in. And then the bullet head, again, metal end, silicone around the middle section here. And finally, the massage gun itself. And compared to the other one I've used, this feels just a little bit heavier, but it's not overwhelmingly heavy. As you can see, I'm holding it with just 2 fingers and it's not putting any additional pressure on me. I mean, it's solid feeling. There is a piece of paper included here on the end. It says, 1. How to install. Twist and push. 2. Install completed. Good to use. 3. How to disassemble. Twist and pull out. Seems pretty straightforward. Then you have the Rooftree branding on the side. A textured grip here, although it's not rubberized or anything, it's a plastic grip. On the bottom here, it does mention the input, the 26.5 volt, 1.5 amp input, 2600 milliamp hour battery size. Then on the back, you have that barrel connector input, power button, and presumably you'll have one side that has levels and one side that has battery. And just comparing these two before I get too much further into it, it looks like the ball head on mine is missing the silicone pieces here, which presumably is what comes in this bag, these additional components. Just double checking the box, they're not down in here, so I'm guessing they just didn't get put onto this head in the factory. But it does look like there are about 5 sets of these included, so if you damage them, you do have spares. And it should be as simple as just sliding this silicone rubber type piece on and working its way up. I just kind of stuck my finger in and moved it around until it fit over that. And then this gasket put in place right here, lock it in. Now I should be able to just push this in and twist. And with the twist and push, I kind of figured that it was going to push in there and lock in place, but when you push it in, it kind of does a bounce, and then twist doesn't seem to really do anything. And it does not appear to have any charge right now, so I'm gonna go ahead, put this on the charger and let it charge for the next couple of hours, and then we'll try it out. And we're back. I've actually done quite a bit of testing with the Rooftree R20 at this point, including a bit of an extended test for battery life. As I mentioned earlier, it said that it would do 8+ hours depending on the speed and the pressure being applied. So to be entirely honest here, I made a bit of a mistake. I put the R20 in between some moving blankets in a closet so I could let it run for just hours with the ball head attached to it, not realizing that when you put something like that inside of a blanket, it's going to be going back and forth, vibrating over and over again. And as you can probably see here, it wore down the sides of the ball and did some damage to the blanket. So this has a lot of force to it. I did have this turned on going full blast all the way up to level 4, and I ran it for 4 hours straight. And I'm just going to go ahead and say it. I'm going to stop it right there. If you have to run this thing for 4 hours straight, you've probably got some more significant issues that you should probably be talking to your doctor about. After I realized what it was doing to the blanket, I stopped it and I waited for it to cool down and everything, and I restarted later. All told, I got at least 6.5 or 7 hours out of this. I did let it run completely down until it was dead and turned itself off, and I was still able to turn it on again, and it started going again. I didn't want to damage the battery or anything, so I did charge it all the way up to full after that. Because I didn't show it earlier, the turning on and off, it's just holding the button here for a couple of seconds, then it lights up. You can see the battery level here on the left. You can see the speed on the right. It's right now at level 1, and you can see it going. And actually, at level 1, definitely very quiet. I'm sure you can hear it. The microphone's very close. But then we turn it up to 2, 3, 4. So that's what 4 looks like, and this is significant. I'm not even sure if you can hear me over it. It's not terribly loud compared to the other gun that I've used in the past. Not terribly loud. And at level 4, whew, I would probably stick to the massage ball since it's very soft for level 4. But at level 1 and 2, very nice, very comfortable. I've tried it on myself quite a bit. I've tried it on my wife quite a bit. And actually, one of the things that we both like the most about this, power off, you hold the button, 2 seconds, turns off. The other massage gun we've used in the past was a press it and it turns on, press it, it goes to the next level, all the way up through like 6 levels. And this is more powerful at level 4 than the other gun was at level 6. But if you turned this other gun on, you would have to press level 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all the way up through 6 before it would turn back off. With this, you press and hold for 2 seconds, and then you cycle through the 4 speeds, press and hold, and you can turn it off. You don't have to go all the way up through 4 to turn it off, and that's actually something I really appreciate. So all in all, just to go ahead and wrap this up, what can I say about this Rooftree R20 massage gun? Feels very solidly built. Battery life is absolutely stellar. Operation, super easy. Just hold the button for 2 seconds and then press, tap to switch between the different modes, 1 through 4. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn it off. It does get a little bit warm with extended usage, but even after letting it run for 4 solid hours, the body was not hot to the touch. And like I said, I had it wrapped up in moving blankets, like it was covered all around, so there was no way to have airflow. Do not recommend, do not do that. But it was not hot to the touch. It was warm. It was definitely warm, but it's got a motor moving around inside of it. You gotta expect that. So I think that's where I'll wrap this video up for today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that, leave it down in the comment section below. I will put a link down below the like button to where you can pick one of these up over on Rooftree's website. As I mentioned earlier, I believe they've got a coupon code that you can use. I'll put that down there as well. Thanks so much to Rooftree for reaching out and offering to send this out for me to take a look at. Thanks to you guys for watching. If you're not already and you like the kind of videos I make here, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button if you did like the video, and hit that notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos do come out on the channel, because they are kind of unpredictable. And I'll see you again next time.